Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your video using InShot video editor. Okay, first, you're going to open up your InShot application and then you're going to create new project. And I'm just going to open up the project I have just created here. For instance, I'm going to remove this text from my video, guys. So first, I'm going to duplicate this video. I'm going to select my video and then I'm going to select the duplicate menu. Okay, and I'm going to make it as an overlay, so we can click on switch and then you're going to make it align with the first video. And to remove unwanted object, we're going to use the mask feature. We can click on the video and then we're going to go to the mask and select the shape of the mask that you want to apply. I'm gonna apply this circle mask and you can adjust the size and also the position, and you're going to take another part of your video to cover unwanted object. I'm going to take this part and click on the check mark and then drag the mask to cover the unwanted object like this. And to make it more natural, you can adjust the feather. Go back to the mask and then you're going to click on this menu and adjust it a little bit. Okay, done. And let me play it. Okay, and to make it more natural, you can also adjust the brightness. Let me go to the folder and select adjustment. I'm gonna adjust the lightness just a little bit. Okay, and I think it looks perfect. Okay, done. And I know, guys, that this method can't be applied to all types of video, especially when the watermark is moving or when the object is not clear. When the watermark or the object is moving, I would like to recommend you to use the keyframe feature so you can make the mask follow the moving object. You just need to add the keyframe here and you can adjust the position. Basically, we can use the keyframe to make a movement and also to track an object. And just add the keyframe here and then you can adjust the position like this. It's for moving object or moving thing in your video. And okay, guys, that's how you can remove unwanted object from your video using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.